Minus 2 minutes.
T minus 2 minutes, roger that. Next item, sorry, T minus 1 minute 15 seconds. Mike, we're going. And bus tie 2 on and up. Next is at T minus 1 minute.
Minus 1 minute.
Roger that. PATCOM 2 is off. VHF volume is turned up. Next item is at T minus 45 seconds, coming up shortly. GDC align, PV is push and hold. Roll is 90 plus the azimuth, pitch is 90, and yaw is 0. 8 ball attitude.
30 seconds.
Roger. Attitude no motion, GDC align pushback is released, and my 8 ball looks good.
Minus 20 seconds.
Okay, my suit pressure still looks good. Cabin pressure is holding a steady 16 psi. We're go for launch.
Minus 10, 9, 8, ignition sequence start. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We can confirm liftoff.
Liftoff, 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Houston, we got roll program.
Roger. Tower's clear.
T plus 25 and we're going. Roll complete, Houston.
Roger, roll complete.
Bravo.
Roger, 1 Bravo.
Propellant dump is on RCS command.
FAO, how's the trajectory?
There goes 1 minute and we're seeing cabin pressure decrease.
Chem pressure drop confirmed.
And roger that, FAO trajectory looks good.
Well, let's keep me updated on the cabin pressure, and we're looking at max Q. Houston, max Q. Standing by for 1 Charlie.
Okay guys, we're looking good.
Pressure 14.8.
1 Charlie, Houston. Verb 8-2, enter. Noun 6-2, enter. There's 2 minutes 5 seconds. EDS auto off. 2 engine out off. LV rates off. LV rate light is disabled as IU instrument unit failure queue. Go for staging, Houston.
Roger, go for staging. Chem pressure 13.6.
Do we still have comms with them?
Apollo 11, how copy?
5x5 when we have tower jet.
Roger.
Jeez, that was a late tower jet. FAO, is that going to affect our trajectory? Roger, how bad?
5 minutes in. Trajectory is nominal from our side at vehicle energy nominal.
Alright, Capcom, let them know that that late tower jet is going to negatively affect their trajectory. We may have to burn the S4B a little longer.
Apollo 11, be advised, your late tower jet will affect your trajectory, and you may have to burn the S4B for a little longer.
Is that going to affect TLI?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Thank you.
Capcom, do we have a comms issue?
I'm hearing them pretty well, and I know they can hear me.
Roger, it just went right. It had gone radio silent for quite a while.
Well, yeah, I wasn't getting comms from them. I assumed they weren't speaking, but when they did, at least I could hear them pretty clearly.
Roger.
Right, Capcom, did you receive my call out for staging? At around 3 minutes in. Did you receive that? Because I'm stand by. Okay, on the directional antenna on D and C. Gimbal motors.
Be advised, I was having a comms issue on my end, and we're back to normal.
Okay. Did you receive my call out for staging during S2-7? I mean, the correction, S1C7.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay.
Alright, roger that, FAO. BPMs look good. And yeah, we seem to be having comms issues on both ends for a bit there, but I think it's fixed now, Capcom.
Roger that.
FAO, how does our engine or booster, how does our engine performance look?
And we do have inboard cutoff. Houston, we have inboard cutoff.
Roger, inboard cutoff.
Chem pressure looking good, 7.9.
Okay, roger.
And roger that, booster engine performance is good. FAO, what's the deal with the trajectory?
11s, go for staging, Houston.
Roger, go for staging.
Alright, FAO, how much longer are we going to have them burn the S4B for?
Chem pressure 6.8, looking good.
Stand by for mode 4.
Sure.
Mode 4, Houston.
Roger, mode 4.
And roger that, FAO. Capcom, let them know that we're going to burn the S4B for about 10 seconds longer than planned.
Burn the S4B for 10 seconds longer than planned.
Staging. We have staging. S2 have shut down. We have good staging, and S4B is burning. We have confirmed good controls. Attitude is nominal. We have... Okay, roger.
Booster, how are we looking on S4B engine performance?
11s, go for orbit, Houston.
Roger, go for orbit.
Chem pressure 5.6.
How long until we come down to 5, Buzz?
About 20 more seconds.
Roger, thank you. Coming up on 11 minutes. Houston, when should we expect for SECO time?
White, when should they expect SECO?
Stand by.
Because we're looking at less than 1 minute here. If, I'm right.
Based on what... Sorry, can they confirm when their expected SECO was?
Apollo 11, have you already had SECO?
Negative.
No. Can we get what the original SECO time was?
Apollo 11, what was your original SECO time?
Plus 11:55.
Okay, it'll be plus 12:05.
Okay, your SECO time is now plus 12:05.
Okay, roger that, and the LBDC has taken account of that, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Roger. Attitude is nominal.
Alright, stand by for SECO.
SECO, Houston.
Roger that.
Okay, Booster, can we verify SECO?
Okay, insertion lights out. Okay, key release.
Okay, roger that, Booster. We have SECO. FAO, I need you to do a trajectory check and get us orbital parameters.
Bird, 3 7s. Enter. 0, enter. Okay, CMC activity layout out. Verb 6 6, enter. Verb 4 5, enter.